Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Organic Kung Pao chicken. Organic chicken breast with rib meat, organic vegetables with organic chili garlic sauce, organic brown rice, and organic cashew. Like literally everything is organic. Nutrition facts, ingredients. It shows the ingredients for the organic rice, organic chicken, organic vegetables, and the organic Kung Pao sauce. Heating instructions using the microwave oven or the stovetop. We're probably using the stovetop today. The price is a bit expensive, well in my case, $18.13. So if I kind of open it for me, what I need to do now is to take this gigantic wrapper off. And I'm just gonna slide it off, like that. All done? Nothing inside? Okay. So this is the rice. This is also rice. That's the Kung Pao sauce. These are the cashews. If you're allergic to it, do not put this in. And so this is what it looks like in our saute pan, and this is what we did in order to make what's inside the pan. So we're doing it on stovetop, so we're doing steps 1 right now on the stovetop direction section, which is open chicken pouch, drain and discard liquid, and place chicken pieces in large saute pan. So this is what the Kung Pao chicken looks like after it's been in the saute pot for 3 minutes. The chunks are a bit too big, so we're gonna have to cut them. I expected more meat than more rice. And I also think it's a bit expensive too. So there's also another video of another Kung Pao chicken that's from Trader Joe's. This one's from Costco. Over here, there is the video suggested up here. So check that out after you watch this video. So let's taste it. I'm gonna first taste the rice. I just wanna taste the rice for some. It's organic brown rice. Not bad. Not my type of rice either. Because the Trader Joe Kung Pao chicken was a bit spicy for me, so I couldn't eat it, so I ate something else. Dinner that time. But let's see if this one's spicy. Eating the Kung Pao chicken. Cool. Not bad. It's not that spicy as I thought it would be. But it's still not my style either. The chicken is okay, but I don't really like the rice. So, if you like this video, subscribe and press the like button, and check out many other videos that I've already uploaded, and I hope you enjoy them. Bye!